What is up? What is up? Whew. Had to go grab some coffee really quick. Had to grab some coffee. Oh. Build cross-platform desktop apps with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. I love to show this to folks when they talk about JavaScript and they kind of dog JavaScript out and stuff. And I'm like, here, look at this. You use any of these? What, baby? What am I talking about? VS Code, WhatsApp, Twitch app, Slack, Figma. I mean, come on. What's up? CLW in the house. Doing bedtime. But wanted to stop by and say what's up. Hey, man, well, I appreciate you swinging by. Normally I'm different. Normally I have my Code Hustle hat on, and then switched up. I got my new Gatsby hat on. Check this out. How cool is this? Check out the inside of the lid. It's the jam stack. It's got jam in it and toast. I mean, come on. You can't get any better than that. They're doing it right over there at Gatsby, Plus they have a bunch, they actually, it's some of the best pricing I've ever seen on swag. I'm big into the swag stuff. How's your day? Yeah, right. Dude, I couldn't believe how cheap. I got like this. I was on like a swag buying spree. So I got this, and it's like it's got like the little thumb holes and things for, and like little pocket thing for your headphone wire to come through. Like $20 for their sweatshirt, $10 for the hat. Like I've never seen trucker hats like with embroidery, like whatever thing, like for $10. I just couldn't help myself. You're buying Teslas, I'm buying swag, it's the same, it's close, When are we talking DevOps, That's what we got to talk about. Yeah, I got my wife, they had like a tank dress, they call it, I guess. I didn't realize it was, though. I thought it was just a tank top because it looked that way. And then we got it and I was like, wow, that's awfully long. And it's like a tank dress, but it was cool, Had some family stuff come up. Yeah, I hear you with that. Now speaking of family, my coding dog he's banging at the door. He's like, hey, let me in. You gotta take care of the pups, Sorry, I had to step out there for a second. We run a very loose stream here, it's just kind of kick back, laid back. We just chat and chill and talk dev and code some things if we can, But you know what? I was actually, I was writing, I've never written a blog post before in my life. And, like my 5 p.m. show with water. Yes. I just have my coffee though and water. And I do have water though too, so I'm being good. I'm making sure that I'm not getting any younger. 43, getting up there. But I was on. Is it Code with Luce? Is that right? She's one of the live coders, right, as well, and a Twilio champion and stuff like that, right? I was on her stream and I had said, oh yeah, I did this, like, it was fun. I was like, I did this, my first bot ever, and I did I had done the Twitch bot, which is just the simple dice thing, right? And I was like, oh, that's cool. Just kind of get you to see how it interacts with the interface and stuff, right? And then I had done the Twilio, just little introduction, like how to send SMS message. So then I was like, oh, wouldn't it be cool if people from the chat could send an SMS message to my phone, which I know I'm taking, you know, opening the reins there up a little bit, but you know, whatever, it's all fun. You know, I don't have like 500 viewers at a time, so I felt pretty safe about it. Yeah. But yeah, so like I have it. In fact, I could run it if you wanted to actually see it. But yeah, so basically you do, you know, exclamation SMS in the chat, and then put your message, and then it'll you know, text message me to my phone, and it was cool. And we added in like who we were able to tap into the Twitch, what gets passed in that in the bot there, and we're able to see what user it was that came back in the object there. And so we were able to, you know, add that into the text message and stuff so that I could just quickly, you know, so it was kind of cool, you know, just something simple. And so she convinced me to, like, she goes, you should write a blog post about it. And I'm like, I've never written a blog post in my life. I haven't finished it yet though. I hit save draft several times today, so I'm getting there. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow morning. It's been so busy though, you know. Yeah, I figured I just kind of like, I didn't really want to talk it through like every step of it, you know, because there's the both of the you know, there's the documentation on Twilio and Twitch are you know, Twilio's honestly just not trying to get any credit or kudos, you know, but Twilio's documentation there for that is really good. The way that they do the whole code snippets there on the side, and it does make it really pretty nice to get through. So I'll take the feedback all the way, right? Yeah, man, yeah, it's just true. You know, Twitch is fine. I was able to understand it, so that's all that matters. As long as I can get out what I'm trying to get out of it is all that matters. But it's nice when it's sexy, you know, and it works well. Tell them Code Hustle said it's sexy. But yeah, I don't even, I was contemplating if you do some more with Twilio, let me know. I'll get you connected with our friend Megan, who runs Champions. Yeah, I was kind of curious what she meant or what that was about. I know that I don't really know a lot about it, but I know that like Copperbeardy and a few of the others out there are Twilio champions. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. I'm just trying to make the live coders team, you know. It's just, I just can't get past my average viewers. It's all good. It's just it's good to have goals, right? You know, plus I think they're doing good stuff, you know, raising all that money and stuff for charities. Can't beat it. I'm all about any of that stuff, you know, helping other people out. It's what I'm about. Yeah. If you really like Twilio and you love sharing and building with it for others, you are a Twilio champion. I see. Yeah, I mean, the live coders, right? I started watching them, you know, a while back, actually, like about a year and a half ago, when I first just started coming onto Twitch. I wasn't even streaming or anything. I just was like, you know, checking it out. And there was only like, I think 50 or something, maybe team members at that time, maybe even a little less. And just to watch them like boom, blow, and Twitch in general, actually, just watching it blow up over the last year and a half or so. I mean, it literally was funny. I jumped on it, you know, there wasn't a lot of stuff going on. The live coders thing was like the biggest thing, you know, as far as that I had seen that was like a kind of an organized thing. And then now, like this last year, I mean, everybody and their grandmother, of course, the pandemic didn't, you know, help at all. But, you know, are doing their conferences on Twitch, are doing weekly streams now. Like today alone, like I looked on there, and at the same time, it was like Red Hat OpenShift, AWS, who else was on there? IBM Cloud. Like, I'm like, wow, look at all these commercial entities jumping on the bandwagon. You know, I said it before they were getting highs, like it's a great space. Like, you know, I've told a lot of people, they're like, hey, do you know where there's like a good, like, you know, where I could get you know, maybe hire somebody? Or I said, hey, you know, in all honesty, wouldn't be a bad idea. Go into Twitch, go into the science technology area, especially if you're looking for coders, right? I always point them at the live coders team. I'm like, just peek in, you know, I'm not saying it's going to be whatever, but it's like, it is a way to actually see somebody's skill sets a little bit, depending on, you know, how heavily they get into what they're doing. And then, you know, you actually get to tap into a little bit of their personality. So I'm like, kind of what, and then they don't have to know you're there peeking in on them, right? You just can chat them up. They just think you're another another person in their stream. Like, they don't think anything of it. And then next week they're offering you a job. You know, anyway, have we talked enough? I don't know. I don't even know what we're going to do tonight. We just need to do something, you know? I was contemplating doing is it considered an overlay when you how you see people do the chat thing, like above inside their stream? Yeah, man, absolutely. I understand. I have 3 of my own and a grandchild, actually, if you can believe that. Yeah, so yeah, mine are the old 23, 21, and 16. So Grant, yeah, dude, it's amazing. He's my son. Unfortunately, fortunately and unfortunately, he's in Japan. My son with his wife and my grandchild. So it's been tough, you know. But we talked to them quite a bit, so that's good. We've been good, but yeah, I'm sure I think yours are little, right? You got little ones, pretty primarily still, right? But yeah, they're the best, dude. It's really cool to see 5 and 3. Nice. Enjoy it every minute, man, because it's like it literally in a heartbeat. Like, I mean, I can't even. I mean, it's just crazy that we have a grandchild and that my son's in the Air Force and lives in Japan. That was like yesterday. He was 5 and 3. You know, it's just crazy. But yeah, it's good stuff. But yeah, go read some bedtime stories, some code time stories, you know, to make up. That would be a good thing. Ooh, that we should make a fun thing like that. I'm sure there's stuff out there, but right, we should make a like kids bedtime stories revolving around like science and technology. It probably exists already, but you know, we could come up with our own. Why not, right? I'm gonna think on that one. That would be kind of fun. Code time stories, we'll call them. Yeah, right. And maybe we can make it like a web experience or something like that. That'd be kind of fun. Like and then maybe you can drive your own. Ooh, you're getting me thinking. See, I said, what am I gonna do tonight? Now we got. Oh man, you got me. The juices are flowing. I don't know if I have enough time to do all that in one evening. We can get started though, right? Somehow though, we're gonna have to integrate Twilio into it. But go ahead, man. Peace. I understand. Have a great one. Thanks so much for dropping in. I truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you soon. Code time stories. That would be cool. Let me think about that one for a minute. I gotta let that simmer. I feel like I need to register that domain name. I had to type it in just to see. Nothing came back. We're good. Code time stories. That sounds like a great, like, I don't know. That could be a lot of things. What do we want to do? Oh, I was trying to think about, I did want to look into, how do you do is that considered a chat overlay? No, right? What is it considered? A chat overlay? I guess I could just go to the well, maybe I type in Twitch. Like, can you... Yeah, I don't want to do that though. We want to build our own, right? Oh, and I get it. Okay, that's why. I was always kind of curious, like, why would, although I do see that they customize them too. So let me go to just to the dev. Why isn't it dev.twitch? Right, isn't it? I thought that was it. Docs, right? Oh, whatever. Oh, that's Twitter. Oh. We have to trap into that sometime too. Check out the Twitter APIs and see what they got going on. We can always do more Twilio stuff too, right? I was trying to think of what else we could do. Oh, one of the things we did want to figure out is how do you send... Oh, I guess that's kind of hard, huh? I'm like, how do you send... Because I tried to send them to me, and I guess they just don't recognize. They must be completely... Hold on one second. Have to... So, yeah, when we did the Twilio Twitch chatbot, I couldn't get it. I didn't really spend much time. It was the end of the night, but I couldn't get how you can get the emojis to show up in the. So I don't know if that's. I couldn't figure out if that was on my side or on the side of. So yeah, I need to look at that and see. I was gonna see how that would. So let's see here. I'm trying to check something really quick. Just stand by. What's going on here? Well, they have until 9 o'clock, you know. Orders. Oh, why does it say tomorrow now? That's not good. Apologies for the pause here. I just have to... My wife is currently in Texas while I'm here in South Carolina. And so, you know, when you're apart, you gotta keep the comms up. And so I am just trying to respond here. Okay, I think we got that, right? Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so how do you do... Where's the Twitch developers? I thought that's what I was typing. I'm surprised. I haven't gone to here on this. So, yeah, I want to see how you do create an extension, explore the playbook. Why build on Twitch? Build the future. Now, I don't think it would be... No, it's not an extension, though. That's not really what we want to do, right? We want to try to do a... Now, I heard someone today say they called it a chat bot, but would that, I don't think that that would be right, right? Options for embedding Twitch chat live in your website, no. Allow broadcasters to embed interactive custom third-party content on their channel pages. Now, so what would it be? What is it that you do if you were going to do the that like chat overlay over the top of your head? I don't know enough about how that works. So it almost sounds more like it's so that's just, see, that seems okay. We're gonna have to see here. So extensions of brokers and bid and direct say drops companies. So I feel like it is an extension. Allow broadcasters to embed interactive custom third-party content on their channel pages. Well, it says interactive though. I'm not really interactive. I don't understand. Let me see what it says. So a Twitch extension is a web page that sits inside Twitch and communicates with Twitch to provide extra functionality. Okay. Twitch extensions can appear in one of the three views. Panel extension displays in a box under the video. Overlay extension displays on top of the whole video as a transparent overlay. That's what I think we would want. Or a component extension which displays as part of the video, taking up part of the screen. Component extensions can be hidden by viewers. Okay, so I think this is what we want here. It sounds like that's the closest thing. So what can I do with an extension? Being a web page, an extension can do almost anything that you can already do on the web, such as play sounds and show video. We provide some special functionality for you, including posting in chat, read information about the game and video. Okay. So it's easier than you might think to get a simple Twitch extensions are simply web page and only, yeah, okay. So I got that part. Start an extension, yo. So you have to go configure an extension, requires a few steps. So you do this to create one. Extensions are front-end experiences that allow streamers to create interactive custom experiences such as leaderboards, mini games, polls, and more on their channel. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm starting to think of how I think I know how to. I think I know. Yo, this is how it's gonna go. We're gonna get to the console, then gonna get our create extension, or something like that. You know what I mean. You picking up what I'm laying down. Twitchy div. Oh wait, hold on. Don't. Okay. Okay, cool. So extensions are front end. Yep, we got that. So I want to create one, right? So let me just see what the rest of this says. So visit there, click create extension. Okay. Type a unique name for your new extension. Okay. Twitch API client ID. Oh, probably don't want that to be on, right? Screen when that goes down. So we'll take it at least to here, and then I'll pull that off screen and hit finish in a different screen. Of course, it would have to be on the long version, right? Maybe they have it hidden. Nice. Maybe they won't have it popped up. That'd be nice. I like when they do that. They're getting smarter about that on a lot of these sites. So viewer summary. The viewer summary helps viewers understand what your extension does. So why is it doesn't automatically get shared out to people, does it? When you send Twitch an extension, you need to bundle it. It doesn't. Oh, so this is not maybe what I want. Develop. Maybe that is not the way that you do it. Because this sounds like you have to submit this, right? By default, you basically are where. I don't know. I feel like I'm not sure here. If you go to your Twitch channel now, you'll see your extension. No, I mean, I guess that's right? Because it. Oh no, when you send. You need to bundle it into a zip file to upload a file in Twitch. Then now you're ready to move to the host test. Click next. I just don't feel like that's the way you're supposed to do that. I feel like that's wrong. No. Transparent Twitch chat overlay. It sounds like, I mean, I could go look at what somebody else has done to get an idea, because I feel like I don't really trust what it's telling me about. So what's this overlay? And display Twitch chat on top. Okay, so this is this one over here. This is a .NET application. Well, that's kind of good because then I can't cheat, right? Because I don't do .NET, so you know. But it still may give me the idea of how you do this. Let's see. So, oh wow, there's a lot of files in here. I was not expecting all that. Yeah, I think that's a little too much. Can't be that difficult. But that's got to be it, because there's no other way that I can think of that puts anything over your video, right? You need something that's gonna I wish some of these would just have like kind of a readme to say like kind of how they do it instead of yeah, that's not gonna help me out, right? Darn it. I always hate when these things seem to be oh, that just triggered me to think something, because you can choose, right? You can choose your sources in like Streamlabs or OBS, right? So I was just thinking, I wonder if that's a way that people are doing that. If you took, because you could build your app, right? Because if you just tap into the I still kind of like the idea of this. I want to maybe mess with this anyway, just to see what it actually does, just to test it out. Maybe that'll drive us to think of this in a different way. But the other thought that I was thinking is, maybe you do this as a source in OBS. Like you can create an app, right, that locally, and then have that. Hey, no, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. Bad boy. Oh. No chewing on that.
Puppies. Puppies. What are you gonna do? No, buddy. No. That's why you have antlers. Not chewing on foam mats. It's chewing on my mat that I stand on for. Like, this thing was like $65 too. I don't need you chewing it up. It's got like a ball in the middle you can like roll your feet on and stuff. Word up. Alright, so yeah, because I was like, oh, maybe you can make OBS, you can have that app as your source, because I know you could build an app, right, that touches the Twitch APIs and pulls down your chat and all that, right? At least that's what I thought, right? Because where's the API? Right here, right? Well, let me even think too. Yeah, okay. As a, okay, introduction, Twitch developer dashboard. To make API calls, you need a client console, select the Apple App Stack, register your application, internet. So this is another, let's see here, app is created and listed on app names, must not include Twitch. Okay. What is this supposed to be here? The API returns an array of stream objects. So you get title, viewer, language, pagination. Okay. New Twitch API guide. What's like the difference, right? Guide, reference. Got some limits on you here, so you can't overly use it. Mitzenkoff, Twitch API, cool, I'm interested. Yeah, me too, I'm trying to... What I wanted to do, Mitzenkoff, is have you seen other people do on their streams where they will do like a chat overlay over the top, or just, you know, somewhere on their page? I thought that'd be kind of interesting because I've seen people do some cool stuff with it. But I was trying to figure out, how do you do it? Because I feel like in some sense it's this, like a Twitch overlay. It's not a bot. The overlay sounds to be the most correct. So, but then I kind of was like, is it though? I keep like, you know, I don't know. Well, let's see, tutorials. Do they have a tutorial for this? I didn't even see that button up there. Extension 101 tutorial series. Oh, okay. Hey, maybe this will be good for us. But yeah, I wanted to, you can do it through OBS. That's what I thought, Mitzenkoff. That was my other thought. I was like, can you just make that as a source? Like you could build your own, you pop out the chat and record the window in OBS and put it on the right side per se. Oh yeah, no, but I want to build one that's actually built into the stream, you know? Because then you can manipulate the way it looks and all kinds of stuff too. Like you can have it do different things. And so I just thought it'd be kind of different and cool to see what that's about. So you'll develop first production ready extension. The only thing that's weird about it is I don't you manipulate it through OBS usually, but yeah, I see you would like more functionality. Yeah, I mean, what I was thinking too is I was like, you could create an app, like an actual app locally, right? And then you could use that as a source from OBS, right? And point to that as its source, and you could do it like that. Most streamers that have these chat stuff are not programmers and do it, so there's probably an easy non-programming way to, yeah, there definitely is. TwitchBot definitely will be cooler at the end of this day. Yeah. And again, I really feel like it's an extension, because when you read the description of, like here, right, extensions are front-end experiences that allow streamers to create interactive, which is cool, custom experiences such as leaderboards, mini games, polls, and more on their channel's page as a panel or video overlay. And I want to do the video overlay part, right? So I'd like to build in. So I feel like this is what it is. It can't hurt to try it out, right? I guess we could, oh, I guess I hit caps lock. Code Hustle chat. Sound good. 40 characters. Cannot include any form. Okay. I gotta be careful here because they did say that your API gets shown or something. There it is. Who cares? It was so fast you couldn't see it. We want to do. Here, hold on a second though, because I'm probably gonna want. Is that even? Like, where did it go? Where did it go? Okay. Sorry about that. So we want to do a, not a panel, video. I guess I want to say it's a component. We'll see. Optional. The following details can be filled in later. Good, because I don't want to fill it in now. Support email. Your support email will be displayed publicly on the extension. Okay, well, whatever. It said I don't have to do all those yet. We're in developer mode. Oh, I like their little hosted test, in review, approved, released. Oh, wow. Okay, so now does this actually, this is weird. Only video overlay. We can start with the design doc and write down what functionality you are looking for at the moment. Yeah, you're doing it all professional, Mitz and Koff. Professional style. I'm not that professional. Homie, I'm professional. Have you ever heard that? Little Dicky. So, I mean, maybe this is what I want. Maybe this is not. I don't know. Oh, yeah, this is probably not exactly what I want. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. I've seen other coders messing with one online, but I didn't catch it. Do that verse for Snoop. Right, yeah. So I'm trying to think, but I guess again we can just keep going and see where this gets us. Base URI is localhost 8080 config.html. What does it know? Get started with the developer rig or sample code. Ooh, what's that? The developer rig hosts your extension on your desktop, enabling you to test the extension before it's live on Twitch. Now, this is the confusing part. Like, I don't get, what do they mean live on Twitch? Like, it sounds like you're putting this into like a marketplace or something. Like, and that's not really what I'm trying to do. I do use Streamlabs. I just want to do where I can. Yeah, probably. But I see what you're saying though. Like I was trying to think of how we could do it where we actually, code it ourselves and stuff. I no doubt that there's plenty of like probably ones you could use, but requires knowledge of that. I just was like, okay, so create an extension. Let's see what there's. What do they even have you create? Let's see. Just fill out that. We got to that point. Extension lifecycle, great. Was that it? Where did the thing? Oh, here we go. What we're gonna build. Through these tutorials, we will be building an extension that implements the would you rather conversation game for those. Oh, okay. I don't know. Do we want to do that? Do we want to do that? Conversation game for those unfamiliar with that game. Essentially, the idea is the viewers will have the ability to ask questions that begin with would you rather and select two scenarios for the broadcaster to choose from. The more similar the two choices are, the harder the dilemma. On stream, the broadcaster must choose one of the scenarios they would rather do. This extension thus helps create a more engaging experience specifically for chat-oriented streams. While this is the basic idea of the extension, we are going to build. We also be adding other features to emphasize how extensions can provide a better, more engaging experience for both the broadcaster and viewers. Awesome. Now that we know what we're going to accomplish in this tutorial, let's start building. Okay, why not? What the hell, right? So where am I supposed to start though? I wish it was like next right here. They should have that. I'm assuming it's this part, right? I guess. I don't know. We got that. I think this is the console right here, is it not? We're almost there. And so, let's see what this has us do here. Although this is not, it's a bad name for my for my extension now. I don't think I can change it. Well, how did it get to that point? Create the extension version. It doesn't even say anything about, but let's go ahead and I guess get the sample code here. Oh wow, okay, extensions hello world. What's in this sample? This kind of jumps you all over the place, doesn't it? It's like, here you go through this, wait, hold on, jump you over here. What's this do now? The sample is broken into two main components. The front end of the extension comprises of the HTML and then a lightweight EBS that performs the following functionality. Spins up a simple HTTP server post handler. Okay. The recommended path to using this sample is with the developer rig. What's the developer rig? Let's read that. 404. For the love of Pete. Let's see, is their link here right? Let's see, where was it? Oh, duh, it's in the page. Oh, did that really take me off of the... Geez Louise. Yeah. So I'm supposed to download the developer. We'll see about that. The developer rig. Thank you for the suggestion. I didn't tell you, but I learned. I learned Bootstrap 4, and remade my portfolio like you advised me back in the day. It's using default Bootstrap colors, and it's nothing special, but it's made by me and not a template, so I'm happy. Cool, man. That's awesome. Sweet. Yeah. Those are fun. Just, sometimes just messing with those things. Okay, what is this? Developer rig. This is like a whole install thing. Check it out. Let's see what this is about. Check it out. Let's see what this is about. Developer rig up in this house. Getting kind of crazy. It's amazing. Okay, so this is what it is. I'll show you. Yeah, wow. It's a Twitch developer rig, which every Twitch developer must have in their arsenal. Just kidding, I don't know. It sounds like we should, right? If you're gonna build on it. Let's see what it's all about. Let's get crazy. Twitch dev rig, baby. Gonna get in my applications. Gonna start them with vacations. Where did you go? Did you not install? Did you already install? Twitch developer rig. All right, let's see what it's all about. Let's see. Reference local test files. Okay. It's giving me the whole security privacy thingamajigger. Hold on. Oh, that's right. Because that's not gonna pop up, is it? Isn't that a nuisance? But I guess they're trying to keep me safe, Privacy. Come here, privacy. Well, I'm so glad that the Bootstrap thing worked out. Bootstrap is a great CSS framework, especially when you're just trying to, oh, I think I was supposed to. Oh, and I closed it too. That sucks. Oh no, good. There it goes. Here we go. Begin your extension journey in minutes. Find full samples, boilerplate code to begin extensions. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, Bootstrap is cool. I haven't even looked at. I don't think I've even looked at 4. I don't think it's dramatically different, right? What do we got here? Oh, that's just a picture. Use your Twitch credentials to get started. Surely. I gotta log in. Whatever, lies. Ah, here's the fun part. Ooh, luckily I barely have any battery left on my phone. Wait. I hate when they give you these long token. You're like, for real, yo? Okay, so now I got a Twitch developer rig. Easily manage your extension projects. Quick and thoroughly test your extensions. Create your first project. Sure, why not? Look, do we have... Oh, there it is, look. Ha, Code Hustle chat. But that's not the one we're doing today, is it? Let's create a new one. Because we're following along in the little... In fact, let's do... Oh, wait, damn it. Where is this at here? Okay, so let's do this real quick. Push this to the left, push this to the left, push this to the right. This way we can kind of follow along a little bit easier, you know what I'm saying? What's up? Well, I'm glad my suggestion helped you out, Mitzenkoff. That's cool. And you know, it's nice about the Bootstrap thing too, right? All mobile friendly, you know, responsive design, mobile responsive as well. Very cool. All just out of the box. You know, you used to actually have to write all that stuff yourself. So for like rapid prototyping and stuff, it's great, right? Okay. So we were calling this. We'll follow along. We'll play along with them. What did they call this again? Would you rather? Whoa. Helps when you're typing in the right screen, huh? Oh, the version. What? Please select an extension or create a new one. Oh, new. Really? All right, and we want this to be a... Is a panel, though, it says video component. No, we don't want it to... Yeah, right, because it's showing a component over the video. I think that's right. Otherwise, it's a panel in the bottom of your channel, right? That's what I think, right? This name is taken. Oh, so I have to actually give it... Okay, so we'll go with... We just call it Code Hustle, right? We could just call it like Code Hustle, Tut. We're learning. Right, so select the local folder where your extensions files will be located. Okay, so let's do that. They want me to select a locale. We'll go into GitHub. Now it says to pick a local folder. Now, do you think if I just give it the root like this, it's going to create another folder in it that will... Preferred for extensions using React. Use boilerplate code. None. I'll use my own code. Let's try this real quick. Let's see what this is. Use this tutorial example. Right? The hello world pub sub, bot commander. Oh, this is cool. So at least they have a couple different ones. Like, but we were following this. Oh wait. Did I just screw up? Now I like these better though. So I'm like click button to change color on a circle. Click button to change the color on a circle for all viewers. Front end only React based example that leverages configuration. Front end React based example with backend service that leverages configuration service. Whew. View instructions. Like, is this going to be a... Let's see what that is. I'm just curious to see what these pop out. So what we're building here. Okay, let's get started. Running the hello world. A closer look. Front end. Okay. Word. Next steps. Extension documentation. Okay, so what does this one does? This is a color cycle handler. So this changes, I don't know what circle, does it say up here what it does? Download developer, right click, hold on. The recommended path for building this sample is with the, yep. This is a native application to help with your development. The following steps will help you download, install, and set up the rig. And then run a hello world. Sure, why not? Let's do that. Wonder what the difference though with the pub sub, but we'll start with the basic one, right? We can always do another one after it. Why not? So download the developer. We did that. Visit the extensions section of the developer dashboard. You will need have a Twitch account to log in. Will need to be. Yeah, I already have that. We just got to go to the developer dashboard, which let me do this over here. Actually, I can do this, right? Alright. Hey, I didn't say to do all that now. I didn't say to do all that snazziness. How do you get out of that? Oh, go away. Come on. Now it won't let me. Now it won't let me, Here we go. Sorry about that. It's being all weird. My windows are being all weird here, you know? Popping and locking all over the place. Is your portfolio out there live, public there, Mitzenkoff? If you're still there. All right. Okay. Where do I get it from again? It's a developer dashboard. I just copied this. Why is that? Dashboard extensions. Yeah, is your really? Where is my, I guess maybe, do I click this? Dark thing account set into it? No. Where do you get your dashboard stuff? I will get there in a second. I gotta find this. How do you get your, you will need to have that, yeah. Copy and paste the client. It's nothing impressive, just bootstrap. Okay, yeah, okay, cool. I was gonna say we can go check it out. I cannot figure out where you get the access. Maybe is that it? No. My as version status. Okay, I'm a little lost here. Where do I get? Where do you get the? On this page, click overview. Click the settings tab and then the secrets key menu option along the left, hover over your key. Where are they even talking about that? Right, it says click the create extension. At the bottom of the form, you will be taken to a status page for the first version of this extension. Okay, I got that. I'm on a status page. Oh, this section displays the current status. No. So where do I get to see? I am still not seeing where I get. Where do you get the? On this page, click overview. There is no overview. That's such a nuisance. Let's see here. Okay, I see the client ID, But the secrets key, I don't see that anywhere. Click settings tab. There is no settings tab. Oh wait, hold on. Ah, okay. I see here. Twitch API client secret. That would be the one, right? Yep. Yep. Oh wait, hold on. This has a. Is this the key for this? Extension secrets. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, cool. So I think I got. Can you just copy it like that though? Okay, I guess we're gonna find out right now. Now I know where they're at. That's what's important, right? So this is the instructions for this, right? So I'm supposed to do the get started, hit next, right? So open developer rig, we did that. Create project, yep. Fill in the client ID and secret. Hasn't asked for that yet. Okay, it says it's successfully created, but let's see where we do the. Oh, I see the client ID. Whatever. You guys see it too, so sorry about that. Security, right? At least it's not the token, that's right. This is not really as much of an issue as. But I do need to find out where. Because it says do the open the developer rig, add project, create project, fill in the client. Click the import button to get your extension information. Give the project a name. Maybe I don't need it because I authenticated with this, because I don't see. Oh, look at this nice little open this in VS Code. Okay, so let's see what it says after this, because I feel like this is probably done. This piece here. Like that's probably already done. Give the project a name, right? We did that. Below, make sure you're using existing example is selected. For this example, make sure select hello world on the right side. Already start. Okay, okay. Ensure view type is component. Okay, you should now see Hello World extension running on a simulated video player. Experiment with the extension by cycling through. Really? I don't see any of that happening, do you? How to run extensions in the developer rig. Here we go, right? So I don't even, I have a feeling this is not going to open. I feel like there's nothing there. And what would really suck is if it just polluted the whole directory structure, which it looks like it might have. Because this is all my, yeah, look, code hustle. God damn it. That's what I was worried about. I was like, is it going to create it with a root directory, or is it going to just splatter all this crap into. Really? I don't have any Finder windows open? Or is it going to splatter all this stuff into my. And sure enough, it did. Because here is my GitHub. And I believe we're going to see. Now, the problem is I have no idea what folders. I guess git tut is it, maybe? I don't know. No, that's not it. Actually, I don't even see anything in here at all. This is what I see: Code Hustle tut JSON and a package lock, which I wonder. Nope, this is just from today. So let me do this. This is always so weird. This never works for some reason. Every time I try to do this with a new folder like this, It always puts it out. So this is the I'm just gonna call it Twitch extension, like that, right? Let me move this into here, and then let's move this into there, right? And then now let's just we can do this here, and let's just look at what this is. Okay, so this does have a bunch of stuff in there. All right, what do they say to do after you do that? Okay, so project folder, we need to actually change this, right? Because that's not the same anymore. It's actually inside of here. Let's see, this will help. If I could find the folder, it'd be helpful. Why can I not find this? Come on, baby, show me where you're at. Show me where you're at. Twitch EXT is what I'm talking about. What? Why does that not? Why is that not working? This is a weird little thing. I'm going open. Can you not? This folder containing your product, click open to view the files. Oh, no, no, no. I need to change this because this is not gonna, that's not where this resides anymore. It doesn't look like you can change that. Can you close project? Is that like deleting a project? No, that's just closing it, right? Okay, I'm a little bit like, this is, god darn it. Oh, that's right, you can't say Twitch. Duh. I just want to make sure I'm doing this right, because this is like, I'm like, this is what's annoying, that when you say select here, that should have been, that's okay, we're gonna figure it out. What did we call this now? Chat extension, right? Okay, so now should be able to do this, say select, choose chat extension, right? We'll do that. We'll take the template. This has recommended this for new developers. We're gonna do the get started click button, right? Because that's what the instructions are that are over here, right? Give the project name if it was not pulled automatically. This is the only thing that was weird, is I did create a new project. It says add project, but oh, and then create project, so then I'm doing create project, right? Oh, click the import button to get your extensions in for, oh no, I don't need that. Give the project a name. I know it's 10 minutes after you said it, but my portfolio is my Twitch name.com. Oh, cool. Let me just get through the rest of this thing here. I'm gonna go check it out. I don't know why I have such trouble like understanding this. I guess because it feels just foreign. We'll figure it out though. Alright, so that should get started. Okay, get started. Let's do it. Oh! Alright, so now we got this, right? How to run your extension in Developer Rig. To run your extension, you'll need to host your front-end assets, and if you have a backend, run your backend. If you would like the rig to host your front end for you, serving the files from a random port of localhost, locally overriding your base URI, enter the path to your front end assets in the first text box below. What? Otherwise, ensure your base URI is correct in the Twitch developer console for your extension and either enter the command to host. I am so confused. What? To your extent, and either enter the command to host your front end in the second text box or leave both text boxes blank if you will host your front end yourself. You may enter either an absolute path or a path relative to the project directory. Host your... If your front end is no more than a collection of, such as the Hello World example extension, enter its path here and click run. Okay. Now, when they say, are they meaning, oh, wait a second, where did that come from? Did that create that? I didn't even, oh wow, okay, it did. Oh wow, okay, cool. So let me cancel that. So it says, hit this, right? Oh, is that actually there already? What's it doing? I'm like, what's it doing? What's it doing? Hello? What is this thing? I thought it kept a, okay, no, it's not. Let's see here. I want to see. So what is it? Start node services backend. So huh. Are they actually, yeah, interesting. So how does it though? Okay. jQuery, really? Come on. Come on. Panel. All right, hold on. I'm getting confused now. Stop front end. I don't get what this. Where did it go? Where is the front end? Where did it go? The little panel right here? No? Where is the panel? Oh, I think I closed it, huh? If your front end requires a custom command, such as for React application, enter it here. Well, I feel like this one needs npm start, right? Let me just see if that makes any difference. That does make a difference. There we go. So that was part of the issue, right? It actually doesn't run the node portion of it for you. And now it's blowing up because it's saying extension secret required or environment variable ext secret. See that this has this too. Hold on, let me see something. Just out of curiosity. If you stop the front end, does this? No, it just stays. So what about if you run the back end first? It says running, right? So let's try running this. How come it didn't? Oh, it jumps up over there. That's right. Oh, I'm showing shit on the screen. God dang. I'm like, well, I think that worked. Oh no, that's back end and front end. But it's funny because it says server running at localhost. Is it really? I don't believe you. Let's go look over here. .404 not found. That's what I figured. Oh, but wait, that still means though, right? But that still means something happened, right? That's getting a return response. This is a response from the server, so the back end is working, right? It's just the front end that's tore up. What are we getting? 404s, right? I meant to hit network, sorry. Let me there we go. Can I refresh this just to see if I can see what it's hitting? So yeah, just going, okay. But that tells me, right? Is it this thing that's messed up? Let's go look at the code. Although I feel like this, oh no, that is the back end. Damn it, okay. Let's see if the README says anything. Because this is like kind of confusing. It's not very straightforward. Right? I mean, it never asks for this. I think that's because we logged into the rig, if I'm not mistaken. I can see it says servers running here. It says here using this for the secret and this for the ID, so I see it passing. So then here, right, extension comprised of this, a button. Yeah, but see, that's not, yeah, none of this stuff is there. Let's dive into the front end components. The HTML files allow this extension to be run. Handled by viewer. Twitch unauthorized. remove attribute disabled, set auth token when the viewer presses the button, creates a post request, and successfully, yeah, that none of this is working. It's never straightforward, is it? It's never just easy. Because I don't get. I mean, this is basically just, this is your base, yeah. I don't, this is blowing up this part. And I don't understand why. Let's see what it says. Failed at, this is failed at extension hello world start script. Extension. Okay. But where? Where does it say that? Let me go look over here real quick again. Darn, I hate. Sorry, I have to take this off screen because I think this backend JavaScript file has the secrets in it. Because that's what it's complaining about right now. It's saying secret missing value. Okay. Where are you getting those from though? I'm so baffled at this. I feel like this should not be this hard. So when you run the back end, right, it actually spits out in the rig, which is just a like little, just a, you know, a window. But it shows me my actual secret and my client ID and says servers running here at this. But then when I look at the front end, it says extension secret required. Use argument tac s with the secret or environment variable ext secret. And that's happening, but it says that that's happening inside of the back end, which doesn't make sense to me, because how is it's outputting the secret here? Like, I can show this actually. Here, look, this right here shows up because this is what gets outputted to the screen. I saw it says, yeah, it says using and then shows you that for secret. Ow. So I'm a little like, I don't understand what it's doing. This is funny that this has a process env, but I don't see a dot env, or is this nodes? This is one that will process, right? This will still run. I can't even talk tonight. Built with developer rig. I am definitely missing something though. This is just not working out for me. My front end says, let me see, here's the viewer. Config, is this gonna have a bunch of, I don't know. See, here's this, right? Auth token, auth user ID. Which I'm like, I don't even know where it's getting. Cannot get this to work. Does any of these ever pull this into there? So here's the viewer. Does this ever pull services in? No, doesn't. I'm not there either. This is not working. This is not working, not working. Yep, did all that. Did all that. I mean, panel viewer path. Right? This even looks different. Test base URI. This doesn't even have that. But for some reason, this is just not wanting to work. Really? I just don't understand why this is really this hard. And then I get like, fuck it, I don't even want to do it anymore. It just seems like this, why is this so hard? Like, this is the fucking base tutorial. This should be simple as shit. This should be like, step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Step 3, hey, it's done. Like, I shouldn't have to freaking have a degree in integration to set up a simple freaking thing. It's so annoying. Sorry, throwing my little temper tantrum, you know? I just don't get why this is so hard. It's like, here's the stupid project folder, right? This is where the files exist. It says it's running. It's bitching about some... I don't get with that. And this is what it's saying, like, use argument s secret or environment variable ext. It's complaining about it in this backend, right, which is the backend JavaScript file. But it's bitching about this, but you didn't see it because I cleared it. But this splits this into half a screen. Half a screen, and the top is the back end and the bottom is the front end. Well, the back end responds at the top here and says you're using this secret and it gives me the string for the secret. You're using this client ID, gives me the client ID, the long numerical number, and then says your server is running on localhost 8081. But then on the front end, when this runs, this is the shit that I get. It just doesn't make any sense. And why is this complaining about this on, if I'm running the front? I just don't get it. Like, so very annoying. Let's go look at your thing. Take a break from this hunk of shit. Nice. Alright, see, testing out a room. Goddamn, nice. Using C# and Unity. My evil fortress. Classmates. You could just say this instead of doing this paren like that. You could just say it was part of a 2-week sprint. 2-week sprint. And then you could leave out the... Anybody that is looking at your stuff would know what a 2-week, 3-week sprint is in Agile. So that might be something. Cool, I'm just reading stuff right now. Java and C#. I'm thinking of adding separate sections to make it easier to view and a short. Okay. Yeah, but it's not, definitely is not a bad start at all. So that you got that as a PDF, and then GitHub and LinkedIn. Matthew Sinkoff. Yeah, no, that works. That's all you really want, right? You don't want people to have to really dig too deep to get... Now, have the availability, right, to dig deeper. Ah, look, I get to see what you look like now. Nice to meet you. We look like we could be brothers. I'm sure you're look nothing like yourself now, do you? Open to work. Nice. Detroit metropolitan area. What did too serious in that picture, right? It's all good. A lot of people get all serious with their... That's mine. Kind of serious too, except I have a hat on. I was wondering, do you see on the featured? My portfolio doesn't have a picture. I think it might be a meta tag thing. I am not sure. Say that again. I'm sorry. I feel like wait. I was wondering, do you see on the featured? Oh, back over. Was it on this? Are you talking about on here? No, wait. You said featured. The featured section on my LinkedIn. Oh, sorry. Featured down here somewhere, right? Where is the featured interests, accomplishments, skills, experience, activity, featured, my portfolio, GitHub. I think it's a meta tag thing. Oh, you said it doesn't have picture. Oh, gotcha. So this is not pulling. Yeah, right. I don't know what they do to. I don't know what they pull. Is it something that you said? I don't even know. I have to edit my. I don't have anything featured on my my site. Recent computer science you can develop experience. I've never done any. Yeah, I shouldn't do any coding anymore. I feel like I just need to give up. I feel so stupid, man. I like get these things and like just can't get this to work, and I'm just like for real? Like, what is the freaking deal here, man? It just seems like craziness that this should be this hard. It shouldn't be that hard. Maintain the clean version. HTML5 up template. It was taking the latest project picture. Oh, okay. Yeah, I kind of was wondering, did they not just pull from like an image on your page? But yeah, there's a bunch of images and some Unity progress JavaScript. I've never done any never really done any game development before. I'm like, which, oh, okay, that's data. God damn. Cool. Yeah, I don't know much. All I know is they say C# and Unity is one of the ways to go. Eh? You can play the game, but it's pretty boring because of COVID. We had to make this game in 2 weeks, and one of our members was being until last day basically was away from the keyboard. The first time somebody put that up, I was like, AFCA, like, of course I know, isn't it? I was like, AFCA, I'm like, what the fuck does that mean? It took me a second. I had to think about it for a while. I was like, gotta put your face right here on your portfolio, on your GitHub. You know, giving you a follow there. Little GitHub action. Cool. Nice. Yeah, I can see you're busy in April and right at the start of COVID, and then it built up, right? I think I'll follow you back if I'm not already. So, yeah, cool, man. Yeah, appreciate it. That's good. That'd be cool. I think I'm just Code Hustle. Yeah. Right. Something. I'm like, how do you get back to your? There you go, like that, right? There we go. I used to have another account too. That's why, as well. Because I'm like, I'm only following 4 people. I'm like, I used to follow a lot of people, but I guess I forgot that I switched over and created a new repository with the Code Hustle name. I was surprised that this was available. When I started doing it, I started going around to all the social platforms and trying to steal it. I got it pretty much like I got it on GitHub. I got it on Twitch, which I was happy about. I had gotten it other places though. Twitter, I had to get like Code Hustle 1 or something, and Instagram, I think it's like underscore Code Hustle or something. You know, couldn't get it unless somebody else. Twitter, yeah, on Twitter. I don't use the Code Hustle one there though. I have it, but I never use it. I just use my you know, if I could, this one. I use the name Code Hustle right here, right? But it's at JD Hirsch, right? Is the actual account. But I actually do have a Code Hustle one too, but I never use it. Yeah. Okay. Well. I don't understand why or how or what this is not working. It's a hunk of junk. All right, let's try. What if I was in here? Right, because this is just, so we could do, maybe we can figure out what's going on with this piece of junk. So I can do an npm start here. Let's see what happens with that. I'm gonna say already, see right here off the bat, it hits you up with, you need to use, so maybe it isn't. So maybe that, oh, I think I know what's going on now. I think I know what's going on. Let me do this. Well, first let's do this. You know, I was feeling defeated there for a second. You know, we all have our moments. We all have our moments. It's because this complains too. Like, where does it even say? This says use argument tac s or environment variable ext secret. Oh, I wonder if I need to. I'm still confused on where they want. Oh. So they're talking about in. But is that where they actually want you to put that in? Is this where they, is it, because missing value, right? I've never seen this, like, I don't know what this is. Sometimes you just need to step away for a minute in order to figure out, let's hope that's the case. Yeah, right? Yeah, sorry, I kind of like, it just annoys me, like when because they're simple tutorials, they're for like developers that are like brand new, right? So it's like, man, if people that actually do this stuff can't get through it easily, like how the hell do you expect some new person to be able to get through it? So a hello world should literally be like point, click, done, you know? I mean, that's so when I go through like a hello world or a simple to like get started tutorial and it's like struggle and it doesn't really make sense and it's whatever, I'm like, this is a this is not a great tutorial. You know, it's just not. It should be as elementary as possible. You know, granted, you have developers that are coming in, but you know, have tutorials that go from this person literally doesn't know how to spell HTML. I'm just kidding. I'm being a little facetious. Have the basics down, you know, some JavaScript, but like this is into like this is a tool, and now you're getting into like configuration of a tool, and like a lot of people are not going to know how to do that or feel comfortable messing with this. I do this all the time, and that's why I don't even want to fuck with it right now, because I'm like, I don't want to do that. I know I can figure it out, but I don't even want to, because it's pissing me off. So I'm like, screw the tool. Let's see if we can just run it as just the application, you know. But it just really annoys me when things are that difficult for what quote unquote is a hello world tutorial. Unless I'm completely missing something, and then that's my own fault, and I'll take blame for that. But so far I felt like I walked through the basic of what I'm supposed to do right here, you know, and this is supposed to happen, right? I mean, I guess I could make this as simple as possible, like this, and just make it an HTML basic page with nothing in it. But the funny thing is, I even chose their hello world sample code option in the beginning of this. I didn't even, you know, the name of our panel HTML file. Yeah, I don't believe you. So, you know, it's just strange to me. I'm just making up all these, like, because this has to be unique, right? I mean, they're not choosing this one, they choose panel, but like, it shouldn't matter, right? Oh, well, you can choose for multiple. But okay, I'll play your game and go with your... Like the local folder where extension will be. Yeah. Let's see, I have one of these where I don't really care. Let's see. Add code to your project, select a template or none. I'll use my own code, right? Because that's kind of what they're saying. Like, there should be an HTML, right? Host your front end files. So here's this part, right? Wait, where was I at? This, that, this and that, this and that. Panel viewer. Where does you get this? I don't ever. Where is this from? Extension views, maybe? Where does that come from? I mean, it's got the... Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh, wait, sorry. It doesn't... It's here, right? No idea what that's doing. And then they show it like, right? Like this. So if I was to even, because they have this thing in here, right? And I do, they're not gonna make it easy to do. I thought there was a way, like, yeah, it's quick look up, a quick look now, share. I thought there was an easy way to get the path off of this. No? Guess not. Guess not. Oh, unless it's here. Oh, it's the same. Alright. Because even that, they're like talking about, let's see. Yeah, it's just like another. Was it chat or extension? I forgot. That one, okay. So now, right. So, we can just do simple like. Right, isn't this what it is? Yeah. Right, and then God, I haven't written HTML. That's right, isn't it? I haven't written HTML by hand in so long. Why am I not? Right? Why am I not remembering? That's so funny. Here, let's go look at. I'm like, here, let's just go look at a quick. Oh, you know, doc type. That's what I'm like. What am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, here you could do like this, right, and just do the old bang. Oh, why is my Emmet not working? Oh, because I'm not saying it's an HTML file. Whatever. Okay. Right. So, and then we'll just say. Oh my goodness. Body, right? Right, good enough. Good enough for a. Alright. So then on this, right, this should be. Select my front end file. Sure, here's my front end file right here. Oh, for real? Oh, I guess it doesn't, that's just the directory, right? So. See, how do they show this here, HTML? Oh, is that under this? Create new view, stop front end, refresh, what in the hell? Invoke window.twitch. Huh, this is weird. What is this? Panel. View label. I don't know. Test. It is bits enabled. Is chat enabled? Sure. Sure. Channel ID or name. Use developer rig user. Use current user. Sure. Viewer type. Broadcaster. Custom. No, that's fine. don't know what this is doing, but I'm just choosing shit out of this menu edit context. I don't know what that means. View in browser, delete, okay, edit context. What's game? Don't start. Is me, oh, these are all. Is full screen, okay, so. These are all like API methods, I guess, or something to pull back whether or not you're, I don't know exactly, but we can check. I don't know what that does. Panel.html test. Look at the port this is on though. That is definitely not 8081. Oh no, well that wouldn't be now, would it? Now, can you mess with? Let's go back to this project details. Let's open this in VS Code here. Oh, you Twitch developer rig. We're gonna beat you over the head here eventually. Okay, so this is keeps all of your goodness in here. I actually believe this is what I thought. This is funny though. Config HTML. Yeah, I got no config going on. All we have is this. This is what we got going on. Did that actually too? Did that? It doesn't, it's not showing anything on the screen though. You see that? So even though we have this here, and I don't know if it's because it's not inside of a I wouldn't think so. Wouldn't think it would matter, but it could. Can you just refresh this? See, like if you inspect in this, I don't think I'm gonna see any. Let's do this and see if we can find, we did hello world, right? Nope, it's not there anywhere. Nope. Nope. Yep, so that's not even there. So this is not necessarily a reflection of that, or is it that you have to? Oh, see, this says index. That thing's called panel. What if I did this? Cannot get. Why not? Nope. Nope. Okay, I don't get it. Still don't get it. This is a confusing one to me. Because this created this view, right? I mean, I should... How do you edit context? I mean, how are you supposed to do... I don't get any of this shit. I just don't get it. What if I choose display resolution? game. Don't start. Okay. I don't get what this is. Is this... Are these... I just don't understand what this thing does. I guess is my big issue. I just don't really understand this whole developer rig, what it's supposed to do for you. I mean, I kind of see what it does for you, but I don't really get it. It's not very easy to understand. It's like they almost made it intentionally hard to people to quit early on. Kind of feels that way, dude, right? Yeah, I'm mad. I don't know what the deal is, but I feel super defeated on this side, and like, and now I'm just kind of like, I don't even want to deal with it, and like I'm kind of just sorry, Twitch, you disappointed me. You know, I love your platform for streaming and stuff, but your developer tool thing over here is kind of not living up to what I was hoping. It's not very self-explanatory. It's very difficult to walk through. It doesn't make much sense. The tutorial does not even follow along with the UI. So your documentation is out of sync with the tool. And even following along with what we knew would be correct, because it's off, but not so far off that it shouldn't be. It still doesn't work. So way too difficult for a newbie to get through. If you're listening out there, Twitch developers, whoever writes documentation, because I'm sure the tool's fine. Like, the tool's probably great, but now I just need documentation that actually shows me how it works easily. It just is not very simple. I did this, right? And these don't even align with your thing anymore, because this is not even the fields that show up. So, you know, like this doesn't, none of this stuff existed. So, yeah, so I guess that's that on that one. Well, what time is it? We can still hang out for a little bit. Like, what could we do? since you've let us down, extension. I hate that too. I hate feeling defeated. This is the developer rig right here, introduction. All right, did that, download, added, created a project, yeah, did all that. This is the one we chose first. Was this real simple? Recommended for new developers. This choice presents additional options and instructions for each option. Right, supposed to click the next to do that. Rig pages. These are the different things that exist there. Create and interact with different views of your extension for testing. Sorry, Charlie, this was not like this at all. Well, damn, now I don't know. We can go back and work on our betting Twitch. Actually, I'm curious about something else real quick. The new, well, first of all, what's their pub sub? Oh, that's just, okay. Oh yeah, we looked at this already. Like, here's a getting started. And I always think it's weird that they, they just are really. I need to just stop looking at it, right? Because I'm just gonna get frustrated with it. Gotta get it, go away, go away. Let's talk about Matthew's nice stuff. Isn't this pretty? Like, right? You could have just even. Yeah, see, this is all still doing the developer rig BS stuff. I don't trust it. All right. This is really cool, right? Electron, building desktop applications. A lot of the tools we use are built on them. Very cool, right? Do they actually have? Oh no, okay. Most important features. Let's see what this is. API demos. Oh wow, so it spins up its own. This is a desktop app that interactively and with sample code demonstrates the features of the Electron API. It's built with Electron too, of course. This app works on Windows, Mac, Linux. See what you can do with Electron source code. Oh, cool. Cool in the gang. Why not? Said the. Hey, where did the? That was weird. Fine. Really? That's exactly why I didn't want you. We'll do something. Gotta get something going. Gonna be crazy. I'm gonna go refill that real quick. I'll be right back. And it still goes. It goes and goes. Husky, it says. Setting up Git hooks. Done. Husky, huh? That's it. Right? Boom. It says you can do npm start, building, you need Node.js and something, right? If you don't wish to clone, no, we did that right. For easier developing, you can launch this. Oh, it doesn't, it's not gonna let me show that over there. I hate when that happens. What's the easiest way to do that? Okay, so let me switch this way. And I can pull this over here. There we go. And now you can see, that's the kind of tutorial I like, right? Or the setup. Bam, done. So use the demo snippets in Electron app on your own. The Electron Quick Start app is a bare bones setup that pairs with these demos. Follow the instructions here to get it going. You'll need Git node on your computer to do this. So the source code of this app has been organized with these with ease of navigation in mind. Nearly 90% of whatever is available in without the. Okay, to illustrate, we've made the use of const for unchanging declarations, let for scope declarations, and template strings like result whatever in demo snippets. Okay, cool. So here, look, this is how you do. So create and manage windows. So the cool thing is, right, you see this right here. Okay, so minus this, right? You see that this is an application, right? Like this is actually has a, you know what I mean? Like this has menuing, you know what I mean? This is your, so right? It's a regular app running on your Mac. So and then this is just their gives you some. So the browser window module in Electron allows you to create a new browser window or manage an existing one. Each browser window is a separate process known as a rendering process. This process is like main process that controls the life. See, that's what's cool is you can pass this around, right? Like you could make this an exe, right? I'm assuming, and we'll see. No, so create a new window. See, this is what I like right here. View a demo. What does view a demo do? Does it do it right there? Look, I love it, right? I love it. Boom, there you go. There's my hello, right? Close that. How much you want to bet? No, okay. So that's cool, right? They just show you how to, and how easy is it? Let's see, we do a browser window, we pull that in, right? We say const new window button, add an event listener to it. Pretty simple. Nice. So you could do like customize menus, create an application menu. Do they show a demo of this? Oh, this one's pretty extensive, huh? Let's see, which one is this one? Does it say? It might be the one that's already in here. Electron will generate a minimal menu for you, your app by default, if you don't even set one. This app uses the code below to set an application menu. So this says if you click the view, I'm assuming up here, view, options, app, menu demo, you'll see the information box displayed. Is for the menu section showing how to create clickable menu item in the application menu. There you go. Oh, but is this also, this is also this, right? Look, edit, right? There's the undo with the accelerator or the shortcut, right? The roll, and then look, all this stuff, right? So this is the define or the definition for this menu up here. And then they were showing you that they did do that by doing the app menu demo, right? And prompting like that. So that's in here somewhere, right? Yeah, see, application menu demo. And then it has a click function. And then if the focus window, got a little options object here, and then dialog, show message box. And you pass in the options, and that's just a, I guess, an empty callback function, like something. Interesting stuff. So that's cool that this is like already, all right. Registered keyboard shortcuts. So what would be probably cool is to see, because this was like a demo one, right? But they probably have a I don't know where it's at here. Let's see. They probably have a. Did I really I guess, did I have that in another window? Where did I get that from? Oh yeah, here in this sample. I wonder if they have like some just simple, like just a dummy, or let's see, go to Electron here. Wonder if they have just a bare bones, like, well, that's Electron quick start. I think that's what we're in right now, right? Let me see, maybe not. Maybe this is just a simple. What does this one do? This is the minimal Electron application based on a quick start guide with Electron documentation. Yeah, no, that's what we just. Our stupid one that doesn't work well. Where did my thing go? Oh, here we go. Super exciting stuff, huh? Kind of dying down. Just kind of one of those days. One of those days, you know? Okay, so this one is the Electron API demos. So actually, I think it would be cool to see. So then this one is, oops, this one is, this is the quick start. So this should just, a basic Electron application needs just these files, right? So then, now, did that kick off the? Let's see what this one is, bare bones. Huh. Weird. I got like a mosquito bite in my palm of my hand. Ain't that funky? Funky! All right, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that, 5, like totally done. 5 packages looking for fun. All right, so then we should be able to, as npm start, right? Now we should get our electron window, and this one should really be basic. Here we go. I can't stand that. Sorry about that. Let me just do this where you can see it. There we go. Booyah. That's it. So now this makes it a lot easier for us to be able to let's open up okay, so this is now you can really see how simple, right? Made progress on that. Yeah, no, this is working. So this is here. This is what this is, right? So we have our, I'm just gonna start right here, right? This is just a bare bones, right? Just a basic, and they are creating, so I was kind of curious how they were getting their versions here, if they hard coded that, if they pulled it. Looks like they're pulling it, right? So they're using a ID on the tag there. Now you can add any front end framework you want into the Electron app, so you can use React or whatever, right? Let's see though, what are we looking here? So what gets pulled? Anything? Render. Renderer has, this file is required by the index file and will be executed in the render process for that window. No Node.js APIs are available in this process because node integration is turned off. Use preload.js to selectively enable features needed in the rendering process. Okay. Window, add event listener. When the DOM content is loaded, replace text. Here, let's see, if the element inner text is equal to text. Const type of replace the text. This is interesting that they're doing here. Type version. I don't think I've ever seen this before. That's so okay. So I see what it's doing here. So this takes the same Chrome version, which is associated to this here, right? Oh, here, let's do this. But then on this one, we can do preload, right? So we can see here, this says node version, right? So what they're doing here is saying for the type Chrome, Node, or Electron. This is Node version, and then this is using Node's process versions, I'm assuming, right? And that's how we're getting back these numbers here. Because can we actually show that? Let's see. Is there a way to show that? Can we say node and say process dot versions, so we can see what this is? And if we pass in, well, they did an array, right? So could I just go Chrome, so we can kind of see what comes out of this, right? Because it would be Chrome, Node, and Electron. Chrome, Node, and Electron, right? Like so, is that right? And let's see what that gives us. Undefined. Okay, what about process versions? What does that give us? Ah, okay, so, that's funny that it, oh, I see what they did. Okay, that's my bad. So yeah, so then you can just do like, you know, oh, maybe that's why Chrome is not in here. Got Node. Where did it pull that from? Because I'm curious, right? Because how did they give us, because this is, they give us 911, and Chromium, they give us this. So how is it that oh, let's see, right? Why am I not seeing? I feel like that should be. Shouldn't that save ver? Nice. What's up, Dota 2 Attitude? Always stopping in late on me. That's cool. You got your. Yeah, I don't know what that's coming from here. What is that? It's funny how here, you know. But let's do this. I like to do this, right? Really? You're not gonna hit me? Okay, thanks. What if we... I actually want to see what this looks like, what this outputs. Oh, well, this is just going to put out a string that just says Chrome version. But see, I don't even, that doesn't even oh, I see what it's doing. It's matching on this. Okay, I got it now. Gotcha. I see what that's doing now. So let's just scrap that part and let's see what type this is. Does this do auto? Oh, that's right, I started this from a separate window over here, didn't I? Does it auto rebuild on your... I don't think... I have a feeling it doesn't. Although, you would think it would. Where did my window go? Or is it gone now? Here, let's just stop it from here, because it'd probably be a lot easier if we were actually in this window doing it. Makes it a little bit easier to see. Go away. So npm, actually, let's do this. Let's keep this running. So let's do npm install node on. Right, let's get that going. Because I don't think they have anything like that. Yeah, I didn't think so. Come on, show me your love. It's funny that it put it as a new dev dependencies electron, but that's funny. But nodemon is a dependent. That's funny. That's hilarious. Okay, so instead of, we'll do this, but we'll also do a we can call it just dev if we wanted to, right? Oh, what am I doing over here? Breaking it with not putting the right syntax there. Okay, so dev, and then this we could do, right? Nodemon. I wonder if it would be the same. We could just write. I'm assuming this will work. We'll see. We'll try it out. Alright, so if I do npm run dev, let's see if that works. Ooh. And it might not work in here because of the way that electron works. Cannot read property when ready or defined. So yeah, this, I guess you can't do, but there, you know what it is? There's probably a built-in, I bet you there's like an electron watch or something like that. What's up? What's up, Dotted? We're messing around with Electron right now. We were trying to do a Twitch extension, and we're messing with the developer rig, it's called. And I just got so frustrated with it, I just gave up. I'm like, it just, and we were just trying to do the hello world. It was just like, it just, the documentation doesn't match the tool, and it's just a nuisance. And so I just said, I give up. Other than that, it sounds like you had a good day. Got your error boundary working. Shitty your day or my, what, anyways, hold on. Yeah, I was trying to get the error boundary working. Were you saying shitty to your day, Dada? Were you saying your day was shitty? Or did I misunderstand that? On error resets the state, kicks you to a page that reads something went wrong. Refresh the page to reset the app. Nice. You misunderstood. My day was fine. Okay, that's what I thought. So there's Electron development in a nutshell. Well, this should be our basic one right here, right? So we have our render. So the nodemon thing's not going to work, I don't think. Oh, that's what I was looking up. Sorry. I was looking up if there is a easy way to do running. Yep. But is there? They don't discuss it, so I'm thinking it's a no. But and I don't believe it. Looks like that just doesn't, because we're just getting like a cannot read property when ready of undefined. So I think it just doesn't. The way that this is working, it doesn't like it. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and just take this out of there. And I'm pretty sure, right, if you do this and then do a, is it prune, or if you just do install, will it actually, and it's not install, it's npm prune, right? And that should take out anything that you're not using, right? I'm pretty sure that's what that does. I also finished my design course today. Nice, nice. Had a productive day then, obviously. So this works. But let's look at this, right? Render. See, I don't know what this is. Use preload.js to selectively enable features needed in the rendering process. So it's saying something in, wait, hold on. No Node.js APIs are available in the process because node integration is turned off. So use preload JavaScript to selectively enable features needed in the rendering process. Okay, we should probably go back and be like, all right, what do we do now? So they show this is in the index, right? Which we did see. Trying this example, yeah, we did that already. The main JS should create windows and handle all the system events application might encounter. Of the above example might open developer tools, handle the window being closed, or create if user clicks on the app's icon in the dock. Okay. So it says all the APIs and features are found in Electron are accessible through this one module. So Electron module exposes features in namespaces. Okay, windows can be created using the browser window module or class. Simple main.js file might wait for the application to be ready and then open a window. Okay, so do they even give us anything inside of main, or is it pretty pretty scarce here? So let's see. So this opens the window up, right? Activate. This is what though, right? So this actually does do stuff, right? All of the Node APIs are available in preload process. It has the same sandbox as a Chrome extension. Oh, okay. But this is right. So this is preload. This is, and then you have main, which they said has access to. Okay. And this is the file it's loading. Gotcha. All right. Just trying to get the lay of the land here. All right, man. Get down with some Ruby. I'm off to learn some Ruby. Why can't I see what that? Is that a GI? I can't read what that says. Like, that's how great my eyes are now. It means I need to stop. Good luck. Gotcha. GL. I was like, what? I was like, what does that say? Good luck. Yes, you good luck as well. You do the same. All right, so we know that this. So let's make a little change here, right? Well, I see what they're doing there. I guess you could, if you wanted to mess around, you could do some other things. I think that we probably need to maybe go through some of that was weird. Did you hear that? Crazy ass music. As for a list of boilerplates and Electron Forge, Builder, React, boilerplate. Oh, there you go, look. If you don't want any tools but only a solid boilerplate to build from, CG Electron React boilerplate might be worth a look. It's a quite popular community. Yeah, cool. Any more tools, boilerplate, okay, yeah. Okay, we did all that. Is there a adding features to your app? Using Electron's APIs, using Node's APIs. Okay. We got some of that. Embed off-screen rendering. Custom Linux desktop actions. Custom window, custom dock menu. So like if you wanted to add notification, Windows, Linux, and Mac. So all three operating systems provide means for applications to send notifications to the user. Conveniently allows developers to send notifications with HTML notification API using the currently running operating system's native notification. Oh, really? All code and user experience across operating systems are similar. There is subtle difference. Yeah, okay. Is this really just going to pop one off if I just did this? My notification on click, notification click. Response to my notification, new notification, title, body. Okay, what happens while so is that all you needed to do to add that into your, like if I just did this? Oh, I guess you have to probably, let me look at the notification module, right? Let's see, there's got to be a example, people, come on, example. Ooh, I like that, playing sounds. Nice. Okay, so here's notification show, instance methods, right? Really, they don't have a little they don't have a little demo, really? I don't believe it. Let me just paste this in here. I just want to see what it looks like. So this is a my notification, new notification, title, body is that. On click, do that. So will this auto instantiate this, I guess? This notification API interface is used to configure and display desktop notifications to the user. Got you. I wonder if this is body and stuff. Does it have? Oh, we can just try it, right? What's the worst thing that happened? Not work, right? Doesn't work now. Well, I mean, it works now, but we don't know if it works with that. Let's just try to start this sucker, see what happens. Boom. Hello, world. Boom. Yes, it works. I wish that would have come up on screen over there, but it doesn't. Is there a way for me to... Damn it. How do I... Oh, wow, it even... Allow notification... Here, this is how you can know that it's working. Look. Electron. Allow notifications from Electron. Booyah. Right? Banners, alerts. Banners, alerts, what's the difference? I'll go with banner, right? So is there a way to, let's do reload, right? We do that, and this shit, dang, it doesn't show it. I wish it would come up over here, but it doesn't. But it's not. You probably heard it though. A little de-link. So the notification, this is working. That's all I had to do. Is just added this. Cool. Cool. I like it. That was simple enough. Okay, what else? What else can we blow up? Break, you know. So these are all the things. Auto updater, browser view, clipboard, form copy and paste operations. Manipulate the command line arguments for your app that Chromium reads. Cookies, debugger, desktop capture. Access information about media sources that can be used to capture audio and video from desktop using Navigator Media. Oh, really? Let's see what that is, just because it sounds cool. That's what I love. I'm like, can I just copy and paste stuff? I want to just do that. So this, let's see. So the render process, the following example shows how to capture video whose title is Electron. Okay. The following, okay. And I snag this and just, this is in the renderer process. So should that be in here? That's what it said, right? What are this? The file is required. So no node APIs are available in this process. Okay. But this, right, these are all Electron. So let's see if this actually will run. Although I'm not really 100% sure what this is gonna do. Just look at the console and see what happens. I also notice, I guess it's a little surprising to me that Electron doesn't restart automatically on changes. Title went up, that went up. What am I supposed to be seeing here? Oh, how do you do, right, view developer tools. Right, so I should see these in here. Why is that? Why did that go black like that? So weird. Console. So there is those. Uncaught require is not defined. So that's complaining in here. This file is a common mod. It may be converted to ES6 module. I don't know if that's going to work or not, but let's try it. It's got to be a hot reload for... Okay, so we got our notification still. We still got that. Let's look at what this does. Cannot use import statements outside a module. Now, do you think that this is because it says it's probably because node integration's turned off? Where would node integration even be defined? Would that be in here? Before we, is there a config for that? That looks pretty empty. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look that up, right? Because this all fires, this all works when it's loaded, but this renderer one did not, and it's complaining. Well, first it complained about the way we were importing, and then now it is complaining about something. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. Anything else there? No. Oh wow, okay. That's all this. So we got, that was easy to do. Represented file for macOS browser windows. What does that mean? A macOS window, a window can set its represented file. Okay. To set the represented file of window, you can use the Interesting. Command click on, control click. This is big time now. The Electron, right? You can really get crazy with it. What time is it? It's 11:30. I'm gonna cut out. All right. Peace, everyone. Hope everybody had a good evening. Cutting out. It's been real. See you tomorrow. I gotta come up with during the day something to do, man. I just feel like I've been bouncing all over the place. It's kind of my inherent problem here on Twitch, I think. But whatever, right? We're hanging out. We're having a good time. We're meeting people. We're chit-chatting. Some nights are more exciting than others. It's all good. All right. With that, we'll talk soon. Have a good one. Keep up the code hustle. Peace.